quickly try something different.
And is it on? So guys, didn't expect the video to start off here in the car on the way to film the video you guys gonna watch right now. So yeah, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Comment, like, stab it. Yeah, peace.
You guys are probably way too familiar with this freaking place where I'm sitting. Some of you might know the reason, some of you might not. If you don't, catch up. Get up to the shit. Do your search history. Clear that shit. Let your mom not see it. And we got Pepsi, but it's different this time because it's not Pepsi Light. It's Pepsi Maximum Power. Dumbass. Because you enjoy this. You know what's the drill. Drink a pill. So freaking irritated right now. Well, as you guys can see, this thing is already jank. I bought this for me with my own money, and I don't even make a salary. My brother drank this shit. So yeah, it wasn't me who drank it. Drank, dank. Well, yeah, let's just get on with the video and be happy. It's gonna be nice. Pepsi Max, maximum taste. I taste good. This. Oh shit, the power is out. Can you believe it? Okay, so I had to change positions because the power is out and I had to get natural light, natural sun, like vitamin C. Yeah, let's just get on with it. Oh, you never get used to burn. Never. Never. My feet are off the ground. Yo, I almost burped. Let's quickly try something different. I'm good. Oh, you see that move? Okay, so I'm gonna sack the video over here. My calves are insanely hurting so freaking much. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's pretty much a shorter video than usual, but next week I'll try and post a little bit better quality video, which is a bit longer. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for Monday and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Peace. Skadoosh.